Hi there, welcome to a new lesson. This time, we'll focus on the garment mainly used in the Victorian era. In general, the suits were the main part of the costume. But we can make a difference between middle and work class suits. Both wore ties, but there were some details to have in mind in order to make a difference between them. We have to pay attention to this type of detail so that the audience can easily, without thinking, classify the character. Alright, this first picture on the left shows men wearing vests and suspenders to hold up high waist trousers. These trousers were usually hidden by the jacket or vest. We are going to draw these sleeves as creased to get a realistic look. This line we've just drawn, it's just decorative. It links both parts of the vest. It works like the cufflinks. This style right here is pretty similar to the groom style. In other words, it's a classic suit. Tailors find inspiration in this kind of elegant suits to create new costumes. And here we have our first model, who's wearing a quite classic but simple suit. And then we'll have to add a few details to the lower part, for example, the trousers line or the suspenders. Or this cord I've just drawn, which could be a pocket watch. Great. And now apply some shadows on the tie to make a distinction from the rest of the costume. That would be a standard costume of the Victorian era. There are many possible styles, but we have chosen these images because they're very representative and pretty remarkable in order to explain all of this. Then we have the example on the right, the man wearing the bowler hat or derby. He looks more elegant, so to speak, because he has the jacket on. And he also looks older, maybe thanks to the facial hair. His mustache is quite thick. Yes, we could think he's older. Every detail has a reason why, so try to keep all of this in the design. Right. The trousers legs won't be that even or straight, and we can make the fold of the jacket here on the elbow. Right. With just a scroll, make the crease. Perfect. I've also added the pocket handkerchief, as you see in the reference image. You just need to keep adding tiny details. For example, it was quite usual to see the high neck on men too. Right, to sum up everything we've said, a man's suit would comprise a button vest, this one here. Then high waist pleat trousers above the navel, more or less. Then we've had the suspenders that helps holding the trousers, and they're also very characteristic of the Victorian era style. Yes, that would be everything. Yeah. A recap of all the information we've seen through the course. You can use one of these characters to draw a vase or any other image of this style that inspired you. There are another elements I haven't added, like the pocket watch, for example. It was a quite leading accessory in that time. In fact, a lot of men use it. Yeah, well, that was all for now. Hope you like it. See you in the next one.